Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't remember me, I'm Sophia and I actually bring you some delicious recipes every week. But I haven't been on YouTube for quite a while. I haven't done any videos for some time. From my last video you can probably see it's been quite some months, and there's quite a lot of reasons for that. One of them is actually currently brewing inside of me, so I'm really pleased to announce I'm going to be having a little baby girl coming this summer, joining my awesome baking family, and I'm really excited. I couldn't be more excited really, and that's why I haven't been live in a while, and I haven't been on YouTube in a while. I haven't been doing as much as I really wanted to, but that's about to change, and I've really missed making amazing videos. So I'm going to be coming back to you guys into your own homes, into your kitchens, on your phones, wherever you are, at least once a week for you to make some amazing, cool recipes, delicious content, awesome tips for your Thermomix, and everything of the likes. So be prepared for some super cool stuff coming. Of course, I've also moved, so I've actually moved into a completely new place, redone an entire kitchen. You can see around me, you will see this in new videos, and now I've got finally a wonderful space where I can share my amazing recipes with you. So if you want to see some of this amazing content coming up, then make sure to obviously subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And of course, if you want to be alerted every time a video goes live, hit that bell button wherever it pops up for you, and make sure you get the notification as the video goes live. I'm really excited to be back, and I really can't wait to do amazing recipes for you. If you have some cool suggestions of stuff that you've really wanted to know from me, some cool recipes, maybe some tricks and tips that you've always looked for, go leave me some comments at the bottom of this video, and of course make sure to check out my blog where you will find some more amazing recipe inspiration. I'm really looking forward to this, and thanks guys for watching.